Hey YouTube, Nick Oz here with another quick instructional video for you. This time around I'm going to be showing you how to cut holes in your roof soffit in order to put in pot lights. I've seen a couple of other YouTube videos out there where they use a 4-inch hole saw to do this job. I've tried that in the past and found that it really doesn't work very well. You get the job done, but you end up with a really messy, rough edge on your soffit, especially for the aluminum type. And I just wanted to show you how I go about doing it. I use a RotoZip. This is a great tool. I have a hole attachment here. Basically what this does is allow you to create a hole of up to 12 inches in diameter. It works fantastic. Basically you just punch a hole in with your drill bit here and then place this in that hole and you follow it all the way around. Makes a really nice job. And the bit that I'm using for the job is also a little bit different. It's a tile cutting bit. It cuts through the aluminum like butter, makes for a beautiful clean job. So let's take a look at how we actually make the hole in prep for the pot light install. Eye protection, ear protection. Okay, here we go. And we have a perfectly round hole suitable for our pot light. Check this out. Hornet's nest. I hate hornets. Thank God the camera wasn't rolling when I saw this because I almost fell off the ladder. Look at that nasty thing. Okay, here we go. The installation of the pot light. I'm going to assume you know how to do electrical work. I've already done that beforehand. If you don't know what you're doing as far as electrical work goes, hire an electrician. Anyway, all we need to do is feed this box up to the hole we've made. Careful not to damage the soffit. Push it back. Most pot lights come with these clips. Get it into place, and then we push these clips back, and they put down pressure on the soffit and give us a nice tight fit. There we go. Lock into place. Last little adjustment. Light bulb. Trim ring. Done. Let's test it out. And there's the finish.